Get a new grip. Slowly, steadily, surely the time approaches when the vision will be fulfilled. If it seems slow, do not despair, for these things will surely come to pass. Just be patient. They will not be overdue a single day. Habakkuk 2:3. God has an appointed time to bring his promises to pass in your life, and it will not be one day late. You may have been waiting a long time. Thoughts tell you you've missed out. It's not going to happen. No, when you come into your appointed time, God will make up for what looks like lost time. With one touch of God's favor, suddenly it happens. Suddenly the business takes off. Suddenly you meet the right person. Suddenly your child is back on course. Suddenly you're well. We want everything fast, but God knows the right time. He is saying to get a new grip. Take hold of his promises in a new way. Make up your mind that no matter how long it takes or how impossible it looks, you're going to be a believer and not a doubter. Keep declaring that it's on the way. Keep waiting with expectancy, and you're going to see God show out in your life. He's going to do things that are uncommon, unusual. You didn't see it coming. It's the greatness of our God.